President Trump praises the Ninth Circuit Court's ruling to keep his asylum policy in place. In a tweet today, he called the decision a big win at the southern border and said, "We are getting there and the wall is being built." The San Francisco-based appeals court upheld the Trump administration's so-called Remain in Mexico policy on Tuesday. One America's Sani Unutoa has more on the policy and the Trump administration's victory on immigration.
President Trump has been highly critical of the asylum system, saying it encourages fraud and lawmakers should get rid of it.
And the asylum program is a scam.
And the Trump administration is cracking down on immigrants who are trying to game the system.
This endemic abuse of the asylum system makes a mockery of our immigration system.
Back in December, the Department of Homeland Security introduced the so-called Remain in Mexico policy to address concerns of asylum seekers failing to show up for their immigration hearings. Under the policy, which is officially called the Migrant Protection Protocols, asylum seekers are processed by U.S. immigration officials, and some are sent back to Mexico to wait for their immigration court hearing. A federal judge had ordered the program to be temporarily halted in March after 11 asylum seekers and immigration advocates filed a lawsuit against the DHS, citing safety concerns.
Are there procedures to ensure safety for these individuals the government is sending back? And what we pointed out is that in all other contexts, people get a far more rigorous hearing than they're getting here.
A panel of judges on the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has since reversed the ruling, allowing the Trump administration to continue to enforce its policy, giving President Trump a temporary win on immigration.
But we will not allow our generosity to be abused by those who would break our laws, defy our rules, violate our borders.
The case could go all the way up to the Supreme Court after some judges disagreed with the decision. But for now, the Trump administration will be allowed to implement its Remain in Mexico policy until a final ruling has been made. Sani Unutoa, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.